Number 5 of my 100 do's and don'ts for a better you is to avoid energy vampires. Growing on a daily basis requires vigor and a sound mind. Therefore, one should tactfully avoid engaging with people who intentionally drain one's energy physically, mentally, and emotionally. Imagine being in a relationship with a narcissist who makes one miserable every day, sapping away energy and time that could be used productively, but instead spends bickering, slaving physically for them, and wallowing in negative thoughts. What a waste. Surround yourself with people who bring out the best in you. A broken spirit dries up the bone. That in itself is withering, not growing. My name is Elizabeth Ruki.